What's your greatest challenge as a junior content creator? I think one of my greatest challenge as a newbie in content creating is house chores. Yes, house chores. I said what I said. Imagine having a lot of content to create, but waking up to knowing that you have to do your laundry, tidy the house, and you don't even have cooked food to eat. And also, as a small content creator, you don't have enough money to employ people to help you do all those house chores, especially that food aspect. You know how food they be now. So remember, now who don't chop and in they get content to create. Most times our daily house routine can be really challenging. So please, if you have a hack to solving this my wahala, my comment section is open. I need serious help. Please help me in the comment section and let me know how you deal with these things. Thank you guys. See you guys in my next video. Peace out.